Hey guys, get ready with me for brunch in Montreal. Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my fit because why not? Oh wait, shoot. I forgot to do a haul on the clothes I got. There's more clothes. I love these pants, they're so comfy. Okay guys, we need lip balm because... Okay guys, I'm gonna go brush my teeth. Okay guys, we're done. I need to change.
Neil, we gotta go.
Okay guys, let's go pick out an outfit. My outfit for today. Okay guys, this is the outfit. It's pretty not skimpy, but whatever. Okay guys, now let's do makeup. So basically my makeup, I'm living off this pouch. So slowly. I literally have to do my makeup like sitting down, like on my knees. It's not skippity. Okay, slowly. I brought 2 serums and no moisturizer. And my other serum because I'm obsessed with it. Okay guys, I'm using my new mirror.
What's up guys? Today.
Okay guys, it's so pretty. Look.
What's
I'll
yours
fix on
today?
Friday.
You have one glove. Can you just, and then I'll get the other one from you.
Okay guys, we're putting it on 6:52. That's all. Bye guys.